Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing these super cute passion twists, but with a little bit of kink. They have some texture going on and they are super cute, quick, and easy. So let's get into it.
So what you'll need is some passion twist hair. I'm using this brand. I got 2 packs, one color 2, one color 4. This is what it looks like. And some twisted up hair. This is for like the kink. And this is the spring twist. I have, once again, color 2 and color 4. And this is what it looks like. This is the longer length. And this is what they look like together. Okay, so I got some shine and jam for the slicking, some rubber bands, I got an edge brush for some smoothing, a crochet needle, a comb for some parting, and now let's get to work. So this is the section that we are going to be working on. I'm just going to take some jam on my brush and add it to the perimeter of my section, and then smooth, smooth, smooth. And in the front, I didn't put jam in the front because I don't know what it is, but for me, anytime I have a little bit of jam on like my edges, my edge control does not work right. So I'm taking some edge control and putting that on like the front part because I want it to just lay, and jam just don't work for me on my edges. But now I'm just going to take out the little front part of my edges that might get caught up in a rubber band because we don't want that. And now I'm just going to smooth some more. And then I did not oil these rubber bands or anything, but they were pretty, like this jam makes them kind of oily. So I didn't need to, but I'm just parting with the end of my edge brush. And then I'm going to take the rubber band and then put it in the section. Now, I was not doing these rubber bands like super tight just because I didn't want this to be like tight and me not be able to sleep. Like it just wasn't that serious. So I wrapped it a couple of times and called it a day. So now we are going to move on to the next section. Going to take the rubber band, just make a little mini ponytail, if you will, and move on to the next section. And I did that last one off camera because you get the gist by now, right? We just making our sections, adding the rubber bands, and then now we are going to take the passion twist. You could just use passion twist hair, but for me, I wanted to use these because, I don't know, I just felt like they looked nice and juicy and thick. So I'm just unraveling the passion twist, which is not as easy as it might seem, okay? You would think just undo it and pull it apart. No, some parts were like somehow even more interconnected or something, so I had to really like just go part by part and untwist it. That's what I'm saying. If you want to use like passion twist hair, it would be easier and it will save you some time, but I wanted to use this hair. So now I'm taking some of the twisted up hair and I'm just gonna undo the ends, like spread it out so it's not like super connected, and then separate and take majority of the hair for the section. And this is what it is looking like. Obviously the twisted up hair looks like it's so much shorter than the other hair, but that's what you want, so that way the end will be all the passion twist hair. So now we are going to take the crochet needle, open it up, put it through, going across, and then we're going to attach the hair. We twisted it first so it would fit in there with no problem. Pull it through, and now I'm making sure to like hold on to one side, and when I take it off the hook, I'm putting my finger in between so I don't mix the hair up and it's not a struggle for me to like pull it through. Then I'm gonna pull it through, and now we have our 2 sections. I'm gonna make sure I even them out, and then I'm going to split my hair down the middle, and then we're just gonna literally get to twisting. Super simple. We're gonna twist. I'm gonna add some jam though, just to make sure that my hair stays in line. Okay, we don't need no disrespect. And then I'm going to twist it all the way down. And that is really just the gist of it. Okay, so we're gonna do this one more time. As I said, unravel the passion twist, get the twisted up hair, put it together, and now we are going to twist it so it will fit in the crochet needle hook without any issues. And now it's time to crochet that joint in. Then we're going to, like I said, do it across. For me anyway, I like across. I mean, I guess you could do it up and down too. Either way is fine. But I'm doing it across and then holding, making sure I put my hand in the center so I have the separation between the two parts so I don't like make the hair get all tangly and messed up. So now I'm going to even it out and then split my hair down the middle and then twist. This is like the easiest thing that you can do. If you don't know how to braid, it's very simple because it's a twist and you don't have to like, because I do have like a technique where like when I'm doing mini twists, I'll do like a braid to start it off and then crochet the hair in so it's not a rubber band, so you don't have to worry about trying to conceal the rubber band. But with this, like, you can use a rubber band, you don't have to worry about braiding at all. It's so easy and so simple. You just crochet the hair in and you twist and you got yourself a really cute, simple style, which is great. So yeah, I'm literally just twisting it all the way down. I'm like pulling on the hair as needed to make sure it's not going to be sticking out the twist too much. And then when I get to the end, I'm doing the same thing, pulling on the hair, making sure that it's not going to be sticking out the twist too much. And like I said, once you get to the end, it's perfect because the spring twist hair runs out and it's just only the passion twist hair left. And so it gives you like the perfect end and it's just cute. So yeah, this was like really, really easy. It was quick and I love the way it turned out.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I have them like kind of to the side because, you know, it's giving a little something something to the side, but they look so good. They came out so nice. I love the little kink that they have. Now, like I probably already said in like the how-to portion of the video or the demo portion of the video, the last time I did passion twist was like when this first was like a thing, like when it first came out. I don't want to say came out, but when it first was like trending and everybody was doing them, and they looked a mess. They looked a mess, okay? Because my hair is just a kinkier texture, so trying to blend my kinky hair with that super silky, shiny, curly hair, it just did not look cute. So I was like, I'm gonna stick to like just twist with Marley hair. But I wanted to try it again, and I actually was going to use Marley hair for this, but when I walked into the beauty supply store, I seen they had a longer length of that twisted up hair, so I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I'm using this for sure. And I love the way it came out. I love the blend of like the two textures, and I think they look so cute. Like you get the passion twist look, but it blends with like my kinky hair, so it's like no fuss, no muss, and I really like the way they came out. They don't feel heavy, like they feel nice and soft and lightweight, so I love that. Because one thing about me, I can't have anything messing with my sleep, okay? If I'm going to have a hairstyle in and it's going to disrupt my sleep, it has to come out, okay? I don't care how long it took me, it has to come out because my sleep is important. So this feels nice and lightweight and soft. So yeah, they are just super cute and I'm very happy with them. So let me know down in the comments what you think. I want to know your opinion. Do you like the little kink that it has going on? I feel like this is for the girls with the kinkier textures like me. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.